just waiting for Janine. She's supposed to be joining us. Oh, I guess it's broadcasting now. Okay, lesson 14, group 10. Okay, so 1 and 2 is our own personal. Let's look at question number 3. In ANOVA hypothesis, we reject O when there is significant evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others.
Wow,
True, right?
Yeah.
That's what I kind of got out of it.
True.
What requirements need to be checked when performing ANOVA hypothesis tests? Mark all that apply.
The middle and the last one.
The data is normally distributed and variance are equal to each group. Yeah, I agree with you there. Okay, number 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. Gather a plot of the data in each group. No. It says unknown.
Would it be to construct a QQ plot for each group?
Construct a scatter
Oh,
plot.
no, apparently the link to the first one made it to her and it's working. It crashed and I sent it. Invite her again. Okay. She's trying to log on. She should be here in just a second. So,
Okay.
okay, should normally sure do the following. These are the last one, the Q to Q.
Yeah.
Okay. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The sample variance for each group is smaller than the sample means. Now, if the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance, that one's true, right? The largest sample mean is less than 2 times the smallest sample mean. That one's true, right? And each group has the same sample size.
I don't think it's that one.
I think it's the second one.
Second one, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because you know what? I know what it is. You're supposed to say no. I wonder why she can't get out. I don't know. I wonder why she's not getting it. All right. Go like this and walk out this link. Okay, there she is. Sorry about that.
Sorry. No, I think
It crashed, and I'd sent yours first. I just wonder if it just didn't go through. Okay, so we are on question 6, but if we go back, we're just going over so the ANOVA, we decided that one was true. That the goal is to find out if there's a difference or the fourth one we did. The data in each group is normally distributed and the variances are equal in each group. So the bottom 2 and number 4. And number 5, we picked the Q to Q plot. In number 6, we did the second one. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. So those ones were pretty easy. Okay, number 7, the ANOVA hypothesis is equivalent to conducting independent 2-sample tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? I don't know. Do we need to know that? 4 different tests, right? I don't know. Why would we do that? 1 to 2. Oh, wait. I would be almost double that. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3. 1 to 4, 2 to 4, 3 to 4. So it'd be 6, right?
Yeah, I agree.
I got.
Okay. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm always holding you guys back. The data in the soccer shoes was collected to help determine how the design of the soccer shoe affects the accuracy of the kick. There are 5 types of shoes, A, B, C, D, E, and also wearing socks for a total of 6 groups. Each group represents the kick, blah, 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 checking the accuracy. Okay, what is the minimum smallest variance for the 6 groups? Okay, so this, pull up my information there. I'm gonna go like this and bring this over. And I'm gonna pull this up a little bigger. Okay, I'm gonna try this thing that I just learned last week called share screen. Let's see if we can. That's not it. Okay. Share my screen. Okay. No, that's not the one I want to share. I want to share. That's. Can you see that? So did you guys get those same numbers?
I can't see anything.
Oh darn. Okay, let me make it bigger. How about that?
I didn't see your screen at all.
You can't see my screen at all?
No. Still just here.
Okay, what about if I do that? Does that help? No?
I can see that, yeah.
Can you see that, the analysts on the Excel?
Yeah.
Okay, so are those the numbers that you guys got? The minimum one of the variance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So which one do you guys, is it the 27.208?
I got 27.208.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that's the minimum.
And then my, where is it?
This is the one that it did not match the lesson, and so I kept going, okay. So the maximum is 40. Right. 17. I think that's where a lot of my mistakes were made, was just inputting stuff. The test for equal variance is satisfied for this value. True, right?
Yeah.
Then construct the Q to Q plot for each of the 6 samples. Can we just assume that they're, I really don't want to pull that up and do that. Has anybody done that part yet?
No.
I thought that it was true.
You're supposed to really actually do it, but can we just assume it does?
Yeah, let's just go for
If
true.
you perform an ANOVA test, the p-value is 0.081. Okay, let's see if that's true. I don't see, that's not the p-value I have. Remove the socks data and perform the text again. What is the p-value when we remove the socks data? All right, so my data is 0.0476. I don't think that's right, but if you guys are getting the same, oh wait, so I'd get 0.048. Would that be right? 0.048. 13. The tested statistic for the ANOVA hypothesis test is F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or to the left? To the right.
To the right, yeah.
Here's some more information. Plug it all in. Oh my gosh, how many are there? Okay. All right, I have to pull up this dumb hot dog nutrition thing.
打一下好痛。
Okay. Plug this in. Are we looking at calories? Or are we looking at sodium? Calories. Okay.
Calories.
Nice. 一毛多钱？
I'm happy to take whatever answer you guys give me.
Would it be the first one? I'm not entirely sure, but wouldn't it? I'm thinking it's that one.
Could be. Hold on. I can get my thing to copy the meat. I'm gonna look at it and tell you here in just a second. Anybody else have it?
到这样，如果你没有可以到，你没收到就没有。
I think it's the first one too.
Okay. Okay, you. 完全。我这可以帮忙。放一排。那会不见吗？
Okay. Just memorize that one. Assumptions have been met. It's safe to, yeah, I think that's the first one. I haven't done a Q plot, but whatever. It sounds good enough to me.
Run an ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all 3 types of hot dogs.
Okay, I give up because I don't know why this, I don't know why I have these weird numbers. This one off. I really don't know where that one came from, but it's still.
为什么看起来好危险？你要直接杀那个，你可以买那个另外一把，就可以超强。
Okay, whatever. They give us this information. Never mind. I'm trying to make it harder than it is. They already gave us information. Our conclusion is that we have sufficient evidence to at least one of the hot dog types has a different mean number of calories than the other type. So I'm thinking the bottom one, number 15.
Okay, agree.
The bottom. 16, now let's assume the sodium levels, construct a Q to Q plot, oh gosh, of the sodium levels for each of the 3 types of hot dogs. You should see the Q plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with the normality assumption. The smallest variance is, and the largest variance is, have the assumptions been met to use the ANOVA?
They have not. Wait.
Okay, let's go make a Q to Q plot, I guess.
那种可以快接近它的方式。
And let's go to Q to Q. Okay, somebody do we have to do all of them or just the chickens? How about I go like this? I will do poultry and I'll copy it. And I shall paste it. And here is our chickens in the form of a hot dog. Yeah, that one looks a little funked out. I don't think that one counts as anything.
Yeah.
So if that's chicken, okay, I'm gonna, okay, not net, it is not safe to assume each group comes from a normally distributed population, but we can assume that the variances are equal. I would say,
it's the last one, but I don't know.
I don't know, what is, I would just divide. My thought is, I would just go 1, 0, 4, 9, 2, 0.872 divided by 4 equals, well, if you divide it by 4, that first variance is bigger. So we can't really say that it is 4 times. The variances should be equal. Because when you divide it out, when you divide that big number, 10,492, and you divide that by 4, you get 2,623. So.
Okay, so then it would be the third.
Yeah, to me that's the third one, because we didn't technically go bigger than 4 times or equal to. Okay, despite the possible problem with the Q-to-Q plot for poultry, you decide to use ANOVA to determine if the mean sodium levels are the same for all 3 groups. What is the p-value for this test? Well, because I love to cut and paste so much. We'll go cut and paste more. Okay, 53. All right, so I got my sodiums up there.
So
Okay, so did you guys get p-value of 0.179?
I did, yes.
0.1793.
Yeah.
So it's around 3.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that too.
9.
Okay. What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs? Well, the sodium levels are sufficient, and it looks like we're going to keep the null because it's greater than. So we have
Second one.
and all 3 got the same mean sodium levels. Okay, I'm going to say number 1. What do you guys feel?
That all 3 hot dog types have the same mean sodium. Yeah.
All right, let us save our responses and go.
I missed a few.
Okay, which ones?
他是
actually, let me see. I missed 7, 8.
不要带不要踩到手，不要踩到。
Okay, so 7, 7 is 6.
所以我们为什么会输？
It's
嗯
just
嗯
他救自己，他自己又不够强。
and then 8. What is the minimum?
Okay, so we put 27.208.
And then I missed 9 and 12.
Okay. 9.
What is
Okay.
the maximum variance for the groups? 6 groups.
Did you guys get 40.724? And so I have 40.724. Did you get what other one did you need?
12.
Okay, and 12
Okay,
is 0.048.
thank you.
Hopefully I'm right. I don't know. Don't thank me yet.
Okay.
Don't thank me yet. We haven't submitted. Oh darn, we missed 2. 3. We missed 3 of them. Okay. So let's go back up here and look at those.
So,
Okay, so number 12 is wrong. I gotta plug my laptop in.
What other ones did he? Or
So we missed 12. We missed 9. No, I thought I saw another 0.
I missed the last one.
And the last one.
I got the last one right. I put the second one.
Yeah, I got the last one right. No, I did, and I got it wrong. What did you guys put
I
on?
got this. I put the second.
呀，我知道。
Oh, you put the second one. We do not have sufficient. Oh, yeah, that does make more sense. That's dumb.
Flash Q 我还是会听到小
That's the right answer.
那就
Okay, so
就爬。
I don't have any great information on these other 2. I think it's just data entry, but I don't know how to get that because I literally copied and pasted and copied and pasted and copied and pasted. So we never got the data right. I don't know. Did you guys ever get that p-value of 0.081 for number 12?
0.
I didn't have that to start out with.
What is the p-value when we remove the soft stable? I don't know.
I write down which one.
Uh,
Okay, somebody else plug in that information because I think it's me. I think there's something wrong with me.
对，感觉啊，现在感觉很无语。
I have to go to dinner right now.
Yep. Go, but if you
But
Yeah,
it's just
good
here at
mom.
my house, so I'll bring my laptop with me, and if I figure it out, I will let you guys know.
okay, sounds great.
Okay.
Bye.
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 All right.
Oh yeah.
I tried to do it on my other screen, but I don't get any different answers, so I don't know what the problem is. It has to be me.
Can you show me what you're doing?
So
Like,
yeah, let me pull it back over. And so here is, let me go back down here and pull this up.
Yeah, no, okay.
Hold on, let me go back up. I shut down the shoe one already. Hot dog numbers. Okay, so I mean it's just really plugging it in, so I don't understand why.
we just have to remove the sock data.
Right? Okay, so I'm gonna move this over.
Uh-huh.
Ugh, stupid thing. Okay.
Go to your quantitative.
Okay, so here's my foot, and I'm gonna re-stick it in. So I'm just gonna go like this and just get rid of all the hot dog numbers real quick.
Okay.
And just start fresh. Okay, so here's A, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we got footwear of A, and I'm going down to A, and I'm copying, and I'm gonna put it in 1,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm pasting my numbers. Okay, so then I go down here, and I'm gonna capture B, and I'm gonna scroll down to back up and make sure I only get the B's.
Mm-hmm.
When it does that, I'm gonna go up to copy, and I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna paste the B's. So then I'm gonna scroll down, and I'm going to C. And I'm scrolling. And I'm copying this, and I'm gonna put it over here. And I'm pasting. And then we're gonna go to D. This is such a long process.
Yeah.
I run out of energy on this. It just does not help my ADHD. And that's how I get most things wrong, is because I just lose patience with it and I try to do it quick. All right, copy this, and I come over here, and I paste. And so now I'm just going to do E's. So I'm making sure I'm only on the E's, and I scroll down to the E's.
And then we don't include the socks.
Right, so I just copy that, I stick it in here, and I paste it.
Okay.
Now, my concern is that if you look at these numbers, some of them are, which one is it? Never mind.
What is the p-value say?
Okay, so when I pull it back up, there is my p-value of
Isn't
this.
that different than what we got? I think.
Yeah, this is different. This probably might be it. The answer.
Yeah, so it is. It has to be my inputting that's going wrong. Because when I took out socks last time, we didn't get that.
Yeah, so I would put that one 0.309.
Okay. Which one was our number?
And then for the maximum, question 9, the value changes too. So I think it will be 53.158.
Which one? 12 or 9?
9 for the maximum.
Okay, so say that again.
For the maximum, question 9.
So the 53?
Yeah, because
Okay.
it changes too.
So did we look No, that did change. I wonder what I did. I don't know. I did it 3 times and I could never get the numbers to. Okay, 53.158. Okay. Okay, let's go back and redo it. It just has to be, I don't know what I did wrong. I still had 20. I still had 20. Okay. Then we'll go back. If you guys need to go, we can definitely stop our video. I'm gonna break that down and stop sharing. Okay. Anyways, you guys want to do it again, or do you want to just plug your answers in and we'll just?
I can redo it with you. I don't.
Okay.
But if men, you have to go.
Yeah, just go if you need to go.
Yeah.
My
I
fault,
s-
kind of.
I submitted it. I got it all, like, I got 100%.
Did
Okay.
you? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I forgot to save my other answers. I already started.
Okay, I got them for you. Are you ready? Number 3.
3 through.
Okay. 4 is the second and the third.
Okay. QQ plot, right?
5 is the QQ. Then we have 6 is the second.
Okay.
And then we have 7 is a total number of 6. Then we go down to number 8, and the answer is 27.208.
And
Then we
then
go to number 9, and so we'll plug in that 53.
0.309, right?
So this one is the 53.158.
Oh, 53.158, yeah. Okay.
And then, so 10 is going to be true. And 11 is going to be true. And 12 is going to be 0.309, according to Min. And 13 is right. And 14 is the first one. And 15 is the last one. And 16 is the third one. And 17 is 0.179.
And then the 18 we decided is the second
The
one.
second one. We have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all 3 hot dogs have. We do not. Yep, that's what it is. So it's the second one.
Yay, we got 100.
Woo! That's all we need.
Yep. All right.
Okay, thanks for your patience.
Thank you for